Welcome to MIM NI Limited. Formed in 1994, we are the mechanical engineering company of choice for many international companies, providing quality engineering with the experience and services necessary to exceed our customers' requirements time after time. Our specialist services include optical and laser alignment for equipment requiring high accuracy installation and a modular air bearing system used to move delicate high value equipment without vibration. We also inspect, test and certify lifting equipment with all our engineers are trained to the highest LEEA standards and have many years' experience in the lifting equipment industry. Although based in Northern Ireland, our experienced and skilled team have completed many international contracts with a reputation of delivering on schedule and within budget. We pride ourselves on commitment to safety, superior service and promise of consistent quality without compromise. MIM NI, delivering quality engineering globally.